Hello, now I am going to tell implementation of network reconnaissance by using curly Linux. First, sensitive information should be protected with the help of encryption technology. For this scanning purpose, I am using the tool Multigo in curly Linux. I already opened the Multigo tool here. Multigo is a interaction data scanning tool that it is direct graphing from for link analysis. For now, Multigo can also used for information gathering from the domain from some related network domains and IP addresses. It will save our time to allow us to work more accurately. Okay, now I am going to show you the graph how we can gather the information from Multigo tool. Okay, here I'm going to open the new graph, which we can see all the entity planet we can find. First of all, we need to search for domain. Okay, this is the domain interaction which we can gather the information. Just drag domain here. You can see this is the domain which we can scan. We can select here, or we can do select the domain name in this place as well. And now I am going to take one example like sparkx.com. Okay, for example, I select one of these domain. I want to gather all the information from this domain, scanning all the information. First we have to do here to scan this information. We can open the transformers tab. In this one, we can see the information which we want to gather from this domain. From this I want to scan some information about this like domain owner details. I want to know about these details. In this part we can select multiple, like this domain email address or entity, who's this, and version and phone number of this domain main, who is the information. Even though we can select all, we need all the information. Just we can run this in the transformers. You can see the output comes here, the running transformers to the email address, the number, and return. They found like one entity, four entities for the phone number, and all these things. You can see this is the graph which shows all the entities scan details for this domain. You can see now, like, okay, just I want to zoom. Yeah, see, this is the all information which we gathered, the location as well. We can scan this location of the domain and the email address. See, you can see the phone number which applied here. In this way, we have to gather the information which we can do with this application, with this tool. For example, if we want like all the information like email, we can select only the email addresses, the domain mail. Just we can see email, which we can, the search tool, already the transformer will search for this. So we already found this. You can see all the information like phone number. This is the detailed view, which we can see the domain name and the organization, the system keys, and this is the domain. All the data will be displayed, and whole network is protected by using firewalls. And thank you very much.